name is Krishna and I completed my B.TECH in the year 2024. I joined in Qspiders in June 2024. Qspiders provide a quality training to the students, and my experience about Qspiders is the trainers are really friendly, and they not only they provide theoretical knowledge, and they also provide practical knowledge to us, which is really helpful in our interviews and other things. And my special thanks to the trainers who have shared their valuable knowledge with us, and those skills are really helpful for cracking my interview. And right now I am very confident and well prepared. And my special thanks to my HR who provided me opportunities and gave chance to improve myself. And here they provide daily meetings like groomings, attending groomings, and weekly mock interviews. And they conduct weekly tests also based on our performance. They add to our requirements, and after that we will attend to the